What is going on? It's Ron Comes in Handy, Tradesman Services and Solutions. I'm here at a job. Had to do a callback because there's an outlet that didn't work. If I haven't made this video already, contractor called me to do the electrical for the shed that they built for a client. Take a look right here. So they got them painting it. We did the electrical. They dug the trench. We added They dug the trench, but we put the PVC pipe in there. You see running up there to the garage. Got the LB. Got the junction box right here. We ran all the wires, drilled the holes, put the boxes in, put that box in, put that box in right there. That's for a light. Behind here is a outlet and a light. It's supposed to be a bathroom later on. So he called me back. Even though there's a green light on this one's all good. This one is a green light, but the thing is popping up. So he said there was an open hot, which is if those lights are popping up, it's open hot. So we're gonna open this up and see what happens. And this is the home run. So it goes into here, then I think it goes, yeah. So up there, across, and then down here. And then it goes out again, and then it goes to that one right there. So this one has power, I believe. Let's check. See if I can reach up there. Yeah, so this is good. So I know that there's something either wired wrong up in here or from here, which is weird because this is correct, right? That was correct, right? But this wasn't. So let's just open it up and see what we got here. All right, so pull this out. From what I can see right now, it looks like one wire is sticking out too far, and it could be that he put him in. I didn't do this. I know I didn't do this because I didn't put tape around this. This was with somebody else. I'm thinking maybe we need to move these up to the load instead of both put them into the hot or the live. So let me try that. I'm gonna turn the power off, and then I'm gonna put them up here and see if that helps. All right, so I see a few problems in here. So one, we got this wire that's kind of tore that shows the bare wire. So I'm gonna get some black tape and cover that up. The power's off, so that's why I can touch it. And then he put, and I mean, I guess you can do this, but you don't want to do this. So the top is the line. This is the power coming in. The load is the power going out. So I got to figure out which one of these wires was the one that is feeding the power to this. And I'm gonna move that up here. And I think that'll probably help this out. We'll check. Yep, so there it goes. So you see I moved the neutral and the hot up to where the line is supposed to go. And there we go. Now it's correct. Hey guys, it's Ron. So just to give a recap of if anything was unclear with that video. So they had built a shed. It's almost like a detached garage, but it's considered a shed. And we ran the wire, and I had a call back because the contractor that hired us, he said, hey, I'm using the outlet reader, and the outlet reader is reading that it's open hot. So that's why the callback was done. And even though they said it wasn't going to be inspected, we still try to run it as it is going to be expected. So that's one of the things that the inspector will do is they'll get one of their testers and they'll see if it says it has to be correct. It'll see there's, if you haven't used one of those, it says open hot, open neutral, reverse hot, open ground. It's like 5 options, and then it's like correct. One of the things that they look for to pass inspection is make sure all the outlets say correct. And so that one read open hot, and that was the reason why. It's because we had the line and the load going into one, like the screw. So easy fix. All we had to do was take the line and actually put it in the wires that were live and put them in the line. And then, you know, like I explained, the load is the load instead of putting them all in the same like screw. Easy fix, rookie mistake. I think the electrician that was helping me on that, he was tired and he was just trying, you know, I don't think he's usually the electrician that helped me out. He's used to working for a company and they do like new builds, and they usually work for a company. They don't really work with clients, and that would like check that stuff. So, and again, he was coming off of work. He'd been up since like 4 a.m. So he was probably tired and wasn't really thinking right, because all the other ones were wired up correctly. I don't know why this one he did that way, but it was an easy fix. Contractor wasn't sweating it. He was like, yeah, just come back and fix this. Easy fix. So that was the reason why the callback happened. And easy fix again. That was one of the ways to fix the open open hot. So that. But anyways, if that helped you guys out, gave you guys some knowledge and insight, make sure you guys subscribe, and we'll have more content soon. I'm about like 90 subscribers away from 1,000, and yeah, more content. See you guys next time.